Most people think building an AI tool is something only big tech companies or elite developers can do. That belief is completely outdated. Today, I'm going to show you how regular creators, founders, and entrepreneurs are already building powerful AI tools without advanced coding or massive budgets. Welcome to AI Jinx. And if you want the full step by step article, plus more practical AI resources, check the link in the description. Let's break this down. How to build an AI tool is no longer a question reserved for big tech companies, elite developers, or people with years of coding experience. Today, anyone from entrepreneurs to creators to founders can build practical AI powered tools faster than ever before. And in this video, you are going to learn exactly how that works from start to finish so you understand the full process instead of feeling overwhelmed by buzzwords and complexity. Most people think building an AI tool requires deep math, advanced machine learning knowledge, or massive infrastructure. That used to be true. But modern frameworks, APIs, and no code platforms have completely changed the game. You can now automate workflows, analyze data, generate content, or even build full SaaS products using AI without writing thousands of lines of code. The real challenge is not technical skill anymore, it is understanding the process. Everything starts with understanding what problem you are actually trying to solve. An AI tool is not magic, it is a solution to a specific problem. Before touching any technology, you need clarity. What is the task you want to automate? What decision do you want to improve? What outcome matters? Clear goals are essential. A strong approach is to define goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. For example, instead of saying you want better customer support, you might aim to reduce response times by 20 to 30% within 3 months. Once the problem is defined, the next critical step is data. AI runs on data, and the quality of that data determines everything that follows. You need to collect data that is relevant, accurate, and diverse enough for your use case. Poor data leads to poor results, no matter how advanced the model is. This step often involves cleaning, formatting, and transforming raw data so it can be used effectively. Think of data preparation as building a solid foundation before constructing a building. After data comes the choice of tools and frameworks. This is where many beginners get stuck because there are so many options. The good news is that you do not need to use everything. If you are just getting started, machine learning libraries like scikit-learn are beginner friendly and powerful. If you want deeper capabilities, TensorFlow and PyTorch are popular choices for building more advanced models. And if you want to avoid coding entirely, no-code tools like Google Teachable Machine or workflow platforms make it possible to build AI logic visually. Training the model is where your AI actually learns. This is the phase where algorithms adjust themselves based on your data to produce useful outputs. You select loss functions, optimization methods, and training parameters. If you are working with large datasets, cloud infrastructure and GPU resources can dramatically speed things up. The goal is not perfection, but usefulness. Models improve over time through iteration. Once the model is trained, you must evaluate it. This step is often skipped, but it is essential. You test the AI in real-world scenarios and measure how well it performs. Does it make sensible predictions? Does it fail in certain situations? Tools that explain model decisions help you understand why the AI behaves the way it does, which builds trust and transparency. Evaluation is where theory meets reality. Deployment is where your AI tool becomes real. This is when it moves from your computer into an environment where people can actually use it. Deployment might involve APIs, web apps, automation tools, or internal systems. Technologies like containerization help ensure scalability and reliability. Monitoring is just as important as deployment because AI tools need continuous oversight. Performance must be tracked, issues must be corrected, and improvements must be made over time. At this point, many people face a key decision. Should you build with code or go no code? Coding gives you maximum flexibility and control. Building a Python-based AI agent allows you to customize logic, integrate APIs, and structure outputs exactly how you want. This approach is powerful, but requires more technical skill and setup. No-code platforms take a different approach. Instead of writing code, you connect blocks visually. You define logic workflows and integrations through interfaces designed for non-developers. These tools allow you to build AI automations, rapidly test ideas, and even sell AI solutions without technical barriers. For many creators and entrepreneurs, this is the fastest path to results. AI tools can be applied in many practical ways. One example is a website question and answer assistant that understands your content and responds to users instantly. Another is selling no-code AI automations to businesses that want efficiency without complexity. Others use AI to create learning tools, analytics engines, or internal assistants that save hours of work. As powerful as AI is, there are important considerations you cannot ignore. Data quality must always come first. Ethical development is critical. AI systems can reflect bias if not designed carefully. Transparency, accountability, and compliance should be built into the process from day one. Cloud resources should be used efficiently to balance cost and performance. And most importantly, AI tools should be improved continuously. Building an AI tool is never a one-time task, it is an ongoing process. The future of AI belongs to builders who understand both the technology and the responsibility that comes with it. You do not need to be an expert to start. You need curiosity, clarity, and a willingness to iterate. Whether you choose coding or no code, the opportunity to build real AI-powered solutions has never been more accessible. If you want the full detailed article along with more AI-related guides, tutorials, and tools, make sure to check the link in the description. And if you want more practical AI content, like this, subscribe to the AI Jinx channel, because this is only the beginning. Most people think building an AI tool is something only big tech companies or elite developers can do. That belief is completely outdated. Today, I'm going to show you how regular creators, founders, and entrepreneurs are already building powerful AI tools without advanced coding or massive budgets. Welcome to AI Jinx. And if you want the full step-by-step article plus more practical AI resources, check the link in the description. Let's break this down.